Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need connectivity and permission first. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from Quick Settings. Make sure both devices are within range. Sign into your Samsung account so QuickShare can list contacts and devices. Once done, open Settings, go to Connections, then QuickShare, and grant storage and location permissions. These allow visibility and file transfers. Now swipe down to access the QuickShare icon or Device Connect shortcut. Tap it to begin the sharing workflow and look for available recipients. Select the items you want to send, photos, videos, or documents, inside Gallery or Files. Tap Share, then choose QuickShare from the menu. The app scans for nearby Samsung devices. Choose the recipient shown by name or device model. If you don't see them, ask the recipient to enable QuickShare visibility. Make sure you set visibility to everyone or contacts so the device appears. Once the recipient accepts, transfer begins automatically and shows progress on the screen. When a transfer arrives, accept the request on the receiving phone. The files save to the default location, usually Downloads or Gallery. If progress stalls, cancel and retry, often toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth fixes pairing hiccups. Make sure both phones run the latest software and QuickShare is visible to contacts or everyone. Updates often resolve compatibility issues. If devices still won't detect each other, reboot both phones and reattempt. That clears temporary network or permission conflicts, and usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.